Hello and welcome to the phonics learning video for Thursday. Today we're going to be talking about beginning and ending sound T, spelled T. What will I do today? Today I will display phonological awareness by identifying pictures that begin and end with the T sound spelled T. T's K.2.A. This is a picture of a turtle. The beginning sound is T. Say it with me. T. Yes, turtle has a beginning sound of T. This is a picture of a tub. Say it with me. Tub. The word tub has the beginning sound T. This is a picture of the number 10. Say it with me. 10. The word 10 begins with the letter T sound. These words have an ending sound, T spelled T. This is a picture of a cat. The T sound is at the end of the word. Say it with me. Cat. The T is the final sound in the word cat. This is a picture of a bat. The T sound is at the end of the word. Say it with me. Bat. The T is the final sound in the word bat. Now it's time to practice on your own. You can do pages 19 and 22 in your student journal. On these pages, on page 19, you're going to look for initial, which is the same thing as beginning sound, and final, which is the same thing as ending sound. So you're going to look for the words that have the same beginning sound of tire. They've done the first one for you. Tire and top have the same beginning sound. This is a picture of a pot. Now we're looking for the ending sound, the sound you hear at the end of the word, or final. The word pot has a T sound at the end. Circle the picture that has the words that end with a T sound. On this page, page 22, you're going to now write an uppercase T and a lowercase t and connect it to the words that begin and end with the T sound. So the first one is done for you. This is a top. So the word top begins with the sound T. So I'm going to write an uppercase T and a lowercase t, and I'm going to draw a line from the T to the word, to the picture of the word top. You're going to do the same. Thank you for watching our phonics video. I will see you at 10 o'clock tomorrow. See if you can find something in your house that starts with the letter T sound to show. We didn't get a chance to do the letter M sound yesterday. So if you can find one thing that starts with the letter M, and one thing that starts with the sound T for T, bring it to show. See you tomorrow. Bye.